everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make Easter eggs basket using Polymer clay. So let's get started. We start by shaping a basket out of the brown clay. To make it more realistic, you can make small indents with a needle tool on the surface of the basket. Next we are going to make 3 Easter eggs. For the first one I used purple and made red stripes. For the second you can use pink for the base and do a blue zigzag pattern on the surface of the egg. The third egg is going to be a blue one with pink dots. You can bake the finished figurine in your oven according to your package's instructions. After the baking, I added 3 layers of Gloss varnish to make it super shiny and protected. This is how my finished Easter eggs basket looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!